Have you ever wondered if there's a secret to making the best decisions? Well, what if I told you that the time of day could actually impact your decision-making abilities? Stick around as we dive into the fascinating world of decision-making. Let's start by understanding the different types of decisions we make on a daily basis. From simple choices to complex dilemmas, our decision-making process plays a crucial role in shaping our lives. First, we have routine decisions. These are the everyday choices we make without much thought. What to wear, what to eat for breakfast, or even which route to take to work. These decisions are often made quickly and require minimal cognitive effort. Then there are complex decisions. These are the ones that can have a significant impact on our lives. Choosing a career, buying a house, or deciding on a major life change. These decisions require deeper analysis, critical thinking, and creativity. Now, here's the intriguing part. Research suggests that the time of day can influence our decision-making abilities. Mornings, when we're well-rested and refreshed, can be great for routine decisions. Our brains are more alert, making it easier to make quick choices without overthinking. On the other hand, afternoons may be the ideal time for complex decisions. As our cognitive abilities reach their peak, we become more capable of analyzing information, thinking creatively, and solving problems. But here's the catch: decision fatigue. As the day progresses, we may experience a decline in decision-making quality. Fatigue sets in, and we become more susceptible to biases and hasty judgments. Of course, it's essential to remember that individual differences exist. Some people are morning birds, while others are night owls. It's all about understanding your own rhythms and finding the time that works best for you. So, the next time you're faced with an important decision, consider the time of day. Whether it's a routine choice or a complex dilemma, understanding the impact of timing can help you make the best decisions possible. And remember, it's not just about the time, but also your own personal context, preferences, and circumstances. Now, go out there and make those decisions like a boss. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more intriguing insights. Until next time.